All right, my cozy coop arrived. I have so many baby turkeys and chickens, I needed a second one. I absolutely love this heater. It's really good for the baby chicks, the poults, and also just birds in the wintertime if you need them to keep warm. But I'm gonna go put it inside of the brooder box now because I'm using the red lamp, and I actually don't like using the heat lamps because it's a fire hazard. There's nothing wrong with them other than that. For safety wise, the cozy coop is better. Hey everyone, thanks for joining us today. Just checking on our little baby turkey poults that have been born the last few days. Oh, it's been hatching day here for the last little while. And all of these guys came within 3 days. And I have more on the way, so I have them in the dog cage brooder box here, as you can see. Woo! Oh, you fell out. They got their apple cider vinegar water, their baby chick starter, and, oh, come on, you guys, nope, you gotta get back in here. And they're all doing good, so. I do want to talk about some complications that could arise when you are incubating and hatching out your own chickens and turkeys. Now, as you can see, maybe I can find him. I think this is the guy here. Yep. So this guy here, as you can see, I got some electrical tape on his feet. He had spay leg. Now, that's when their feet just sprawl off to the side. They can't stand up properly, and they can't get water, they can't get food, and they could actually die, and they'll also get picked on by all the other little babies. So how I like to correct that is I just take a piece of electrical tape like you've seen. I put it along its legs just with enough room so it can actually walk. It'll take him a few days to figure out how to use it, but as you can see, he's figured it out, and it'll actually retrain their leg muscles to face forward so they can actually walk again. And if it's done early enough, you can correct the problem and you can save the chicken or turkey. So in this case, I had it with both my chickens and turkeys. Not all of them, just a few, but we corrected early enough and then they're okay. All right, you little maniacs. Okay, I just have to get the other turkey that hatched out today. I let it sit for a few hours. I'm gonna add it to the pile. But look at these guys. Oh, so rowdy. I love turkeys. Oh, yes, hello, hello. You wanna come say hi? All right, I'm gonna hang out with these guys for a little while. Thanks for joining us, guys. And I'll see you on another video.